journey, we flew Thai Airways from Bangkok's Wanapum Airport to Tokyo's Haneda Airport. It was late when we arrived, so we made it to our hotel and called it a day since we knew the next 3 days would be very busy. We stayed in the Ginza neighborhood of Tokyo, known for its high-end shopping and terrific food. But our first stop was to check out the historic Tokyo Main Station, where multiple train lines connect for easy traveling around the city and the region. This wasn't our first trip to Tokyo, but we love to wander unexplored great spots, and soon we found the beautiful Wadakura Fountain Park. Boyd had been talking about Marugame Seimen Udon shop since his last trip to Tokyo, and I quickly found out why. With freshly made udon noodles, great sides, and a laid-back, fast-casual environment. There are between 60 to 70 locations in Tokyo alone, and I was obsessed. We went 2 more times during our trip, and Boyd even found a location in Taipei, which we'll get to on a later video. Getting around a large city like Tokyo is made easier with its elaborate metro system. But first, you need to get your PASMO card, which you can buy at many ticket booths all over the city and in the train stations. Just load some yen onto the card and you're good to go. Don't worry if you don't speak the language, because English was on most signs in Tokyo, so you could easily figure out where you needed to go, since the stations can be very hectic given the 37 million people moving around in the city on a given day. We exited at the Harajuku train station and soon saw this beautiful entrance to the Meiji Jingu shrine, marked by massive torii gates, which then takes you through a really lovely and peaceful walk through a serene forest. These 39 feet tall wooden torii doors are symbolic gateways that separate the secular world and the holy ground. They're the largest wooden torii doors in Japan and were constructed in 1975 using 1,500-year-old Taiwanese cypress wood. The Shimenawa Ropes are made of rice straw and join the husband and wife camphor trees, where people often pray for success in marriage and family health. Next, it was on to the very lively Takeshita Street in the Harajuku neighborhood. So many great shops, desserts, and even a Peanuts cafe where Snoopy clearly rules. If you're a Peanuts fan, you've got to visit this cafe on your trip to Tokyo. And that was a wrap on a very busy day 1 in Tokyo. We still have 2 more days in this great city, so make sure to click like and subscribe for more from Tokyo.